good to be back in 757, to be able to come back to a city that has such vision and is innovative and most importantly inclusive. You have a lot to be proud of. What a perfect time to be talking about training our future workforce. If you look at the jobs of the 21st century and look at the programs that you have at Centura, this is the way that we keep our economy moving forward. I can't tell you how excited I am about it, but when these businesses start looking at Virginia, another thing that they talk about is moving toward renewable energy. And we're committed in the Commonwealth of Virginia by 2050 to having 100% clean energy. And thank you. The key as we move forward is to continue to have that talented workforce, and as long as we can have programs like this, that's what's going to keep our economy moving forward. So thank you all. It's a great opportunity to be here. Keep up the great work. We look forward to continuing to move Virginia forward and being the #1 state in this country. Thank you all so much. Thank you, Sam.